Hey, really quick here, thank you for watching my videos, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Hopefully I'm entertaining, maybe not, but in any case, this video is going to have 3 errors in it. You can spot them and comment, so have fun with that. Alright, have a good day. Hey, I'm Sean with Creative Alaskan Pallets, and today I'm going to show you how to build a shelf without brackets. Okay, so this is going to be my brackets. I got to cut it up, and this right here is going to be my shelf. And so let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you this after I cut it, but you want the grain to go this way for your bracket and not this way. You don't want this, you want this, because you want the load to carry better. Okay, I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so some magic numbers are, depends on how big of a piece or a bracket you want to make. Since I've done this before, I make about 12 inches. Again. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut with the grain at 2 inches for the back part of the bracket. Side note, if you have a table saw, cut it on the table saw. Now you have one piece a little bit smaller than the other. It's going to be like that. And then repeat the process. You want your saw to be at a 45, and this will be one of the diagonals. I'm actually put the kind of rough cut, I'll sand it later, on this side, so it'll be on the inside so you won't see it. When you cut it on that side, you want to make sure it's that way and not that way, because then you're ending up with the wrong angle. You want to complete the 45 degrees. So this piece right here is about 9.5 inches. The plate that it's going to be up against is 12 inches. And this board that we're going to use as a shelf is 7.5 inches. So this one needs to be 9.5 inches also. I'm just going to cut one side of it. Then, what do I need to do? And you could cut them the same size, which I probably should have done. That'll turn out about right. Line it one hee ha ha ho ho. Alright. Do this way. Midget. Now there's this here. Okay. Assembly. So I'm going to be using these, which are T20s. They're 1.5 inches. That'll work just fine for what I'm doing. Okay, what I would normally do is use my Craig bit, but since I cannot find it, I'm just going to use this to pre-drill the holes for where the screws go in. Okay, so for the wall part of this, you want to come up about 1 inch, put in your pilot hole, come down about 1 inch, put a pilot hole, and you can attach it to the wall. And it looks like that. Okay, so then you go 2 inches up, and you're going to put a hole right there so you can come straight down. Okay, now they're all nice and pretty. I'm going to figure out what size to make the shelf. Okay, next is staining it with Gunstock 231. I had to do some real shaking because this winter took a toll on my stain. Anyway, go ahead and finish this out. I'll show you the finished product. Once all that's done, you want to wipe off the excess and make sure you get the edges. So now for assembly, go ahead and mark it at 2. Go ahead and put my pieces on. So the only piece I didn't show you was this piece, same size as your board, 7 1/4. Check it out. The problem that I did have is this board was warped a little. I don't have a planer, so I'm working with what I got. I just thought I'd stop for a second and say thank you for watching my videos. Yeah.